long tabe badi ya patumya wai pali shwe zagai da we mai twa yaw lu phu myo mi long tabe badi ya patumya wai pali shwe zagai da we mai twa yaw lu phu myo mi mà tôi như đứa bám ra đuôi ta ta na yao thô lên lửa đi ba ta yao show in lửa chi thì để cô nhìn quên thấy lên lửa ta gì chỉ mà thu ra này đi Tira go jam do jibo da takatumi ati pinya mya wa ga ti abhidhamma taya jana mi vipassana chiti ti mappa se di nyappa la thera wada mapya thawara nila taraka pamamacha wesi kabatalwa chiti buddha yamji disabuma joti digusiara nada shuga pya ayudana seyoni khanya roti alam tappe badi ya patumya wai pali shwe zagai dao we mai twa yaw lu phu myo mi alam tappe badi ya patumya wai pali shwe zagai dao we mai twa yaw lu phu myo mi Tira go jam do ji buddha takatumi ati pinya mya wa ga ti abhidhamma taya jana mi vipassana chiti ti mappa se di nyappa la thera wada mapya thawara nila taraka pamamacha wesi kabatalwa chiti buddha yamji disabuma joti digusiara tarashuga pya ayudana seyoni khanya roti alam tappe badi ya patumya wai pali shwe zagai dao we mai twa yaw lu phu myo mi alam tappe badi ya patumya wai pali when tailing low tabi.
Now is near later, huh? Anisha Daba Nekhara Tankudita Laba Turudewe Nadi Navika Bobbi Bandi Dita What Bangota Bandi Biasa Bia Bobbi Shiro Shiro Sura Bia Brima Masam Nibo Eri Kalaru Dunga before the Buddha's Pranivana did that a Shibiana do night. What I want Wama Tala Jara Bangarodi. What I want Wachaja Bangarodi Tadagadan Dadanaya Payabu Yang Longa Are Sandi Lajare Paya Bibi Mama Paya Wakada Satoni Ashi Dauri Bataniana Boy Salinia Dauri Chanda Bibi Mama on the ground in different 13 places Buddha dwell 44 vasa. In every end of a rainy season, after the vasa, wachotai, from different places. Many Sangha came to the place where Buddha took vasa. Where Vasure Niya, Wachote, Tangaroriya, Pyabu Lajari. Ti Mayan. Mano Bhavani Bhikkhu Dadanaya Labama Bayiru Badanaya Labama Pandi Bono Jiro Buddha Myaswabhiya Mayan Vido Ruri Mano Bhavani Era No Mano Bhavani Vara Fuya and Saitema Bhavaniya is two bars. Say, Are tell her. I go in Fuya. Daya Bhavani is sitting logo, Swimpion Chinuwe Congo, Tibig who do a handle. Dadanaya Labama Pugwele Yare Bayi Rubadanaya Labama, Yusuk Lujuele, Ya. They Dalai, Wajo, Piabu Treasure. Mijiba Mabaya was already about said don't go shit. Said don't near and was so zen. That little live, said a year Buddha went there by Shachile, Lingari Neshi, and there got Pachila and Goyama. Loved her. Meno Dudana da Piambi Irani Mababa Tepa Guru Bhagavata Isi na Tepa Bada Isi na Bada Bhagavata Isi na Paya Kualambiri na Nabavani Beku Any Senilo Shwebyon Juruba Kauna Kuroyiri Nadana ya Pugan Mayanviro Dodi Na Labaidama Yarab Mohu Pidu Badana Lojugan Lebe Na Labaidama Yarama Mohu Yabishiro Yadu Yudwa Yaba Mishibe Willow Jounji Gizago Down Jounji Audi Huh? Zero Joji Pua, Wajo, Puyafu, Mishiro. And she and I Queen, social Babi, Dadanaya, be Ruba Danaya. Any Mama Bayaga. Hey, made Dilodoya, Pama. Now Mashire down, Digaba Mijibo, Perama Mabiote, Linear ship. I linear thoughtful at the Lovini Garden, where my wash pond. This is unforgettable place. You should go there. Second, the Buddha Gaya, enlightenment place. The Mahabodhi tree. You should go there. And then, Miganaya, where Buddha started the turn of the wheel of the truth. The Majaga Bodhana Tana. You should go there. And last one, here the Kushinara. Kudina Yumabioni Rahu. Here the Kushinara. In southwest corner of a Kushinara. Between the two twin Sala tree, my Pranivana place, you should go there. Dayamabiona, here, Dinyamabiora. These four unforgettable places are called Chatu Sanwi Jeniya Thana. That's our Papanes of your Pasiam Road, Bio, the Gogo Park, and the Child. Sadari Mani Ananda. Dada the Gula Buddha, Dada the Niyani, the Vizriyani Tanani. Ananda Shiva Ananda. Dada the Gula Buddha, the Radia Gaun, the Amu Gaun, the Amu Gaun, the Bondo. Dada Niyani, Mabia, food I go. That was a Niyani. Anesa Dava Denkara Dangudita Labayelo. Mawega Diari Godu was in a Gondo. That was a Diaz, Mawega Pissy. Mawega Belupi and Mavin above fire. Points Anesa Dava Denkara Dangudita Labayelo. Bamega Diari Godu was in a Tanani, Neado, the Imanesandani, Lino, Bedi. Bamega Diado 190. Kudu Diado 190 Nearia. Lay mute down, she. Navayam Shido, Aini at Papa, Lini at Papa. Kadamani Sandari. What are the four great places? 1. Ida dada gadosa dodi ananda dadada kula buddhada dadaniyan thavisaniyan thana. 2. Ida dada gadonudra madhabodimi thamudodi ananda dadada kula buddhada dadaniyan thavisaniyan thana. 3. Ida dada gatina amen. Auda kata pyatare. Anandara dhamaseka bodhi dandi ananda tadada kula buddhada dadaniya bhavaniya dhana. And last one. Ida dada gadanu pari vidaya nibbana daduya prini buddhodi ananda tadada kula buddhada dadaniya bhavaniya dhana. Uda Bali do pa. Thavisaniya Thuda Dali Tobi. Kodega Banaga Guru Rega Duru Same Kodega Nigere Ted. Thavisaniya Thuda. Erali Tobi the Hale Thavisaniya Thusubi do Hora. That way the Akandi. But the Gana Thada Dinavia. Dadu Vivasana Thuda. Era poiri Jinolo, no Osulidi. Lolo Bido, Ujaya, Jaya Lady, Thuda Lolo Bido. Go sound and nigger teta. They come. Ida E Lobini Uyem. Dadagada dog, that's what they are poire. Idi either Nalondi Dadada Kula Buddha, Daradiashi the Myoma Dadanian Twabida Buddha, Thamasanian Tana Kudu dea Duware Tana Taku Nadaka Ida Baswam Ida, no? Lomini Swam. The Lomini Garden. Ida Uruvela Do. Nirendra Mika. Ma body pain Chiyema. Uruvela Do. Nirendra Mika. Ma body pain Chiyema. Dadagado, Yashabia, another unsurpass. Batuna. Tamadambore, Tabuda Yano, Vidambudo. But the trade that again to like me. It be either live another Radiashi, the Gula Buddha, address. Dadaniya Mabia Buddha, the Thavisaniya Dhana, Dabagu, Dadabamaya me. 3. Ananda, Tatagadina. Navayashan the another Hadu Mashira, Damasek. Odi Dan Lege be in the dear pa. Saranatha Nia Varanasi Kasi stay no full monday of Asangla Wazu Lavi evening late after the sun setting down and the very beginning of the moon rising time Buddha started to turn wheel of the truth. Desa liva teya sore dhamma satin lera. And the Diyapa at Diyapa in Sarana. Niya Varanasi. This one also one significant place for the Saddhatsa, Kulapoksattsa, no? Radhya count and Lure. This one also significant place. Last one. Idananda Tathagata Nuparitithaya Nibbana Dhatuya Pranibhuta Ananda Ida Iniyama Any Ida Beniya between the two Sala tree Ida at the southwest corner of the Kushi Nagara in the Sala group and the Mala state, Dilupyoruya. That would be 4 places of Savijaniya, Hovas, Dilupyoruya. Benakune 48 years. Years of at the time of 100 years, 180 years, 48 years of Buddhas. Buddha Dadhanara nearly the Shekunim. A Mala state. Near the Kushi Nagara. At the southern corners of the Sala group. Southern corners of the Kushi Nagara in Sala group. Last watch of the night, full moon day of Visakha. Fuara le Visakha, Buena le Visakha. Praneva Buddha le Visakha. Three great events are only the same day. On the full moon day of Visakha, Buddha's birth. On the full moon day of Visakha, Buddhas attained the enlightenment. On the full moon day of Visakha also, Buddha passed into Pranirvana. Ida ego dinaya ige yegoma. Tathagata Vyasabhya Gurumya Dhyanu Didaya. Khanda nayu ajwe jang bashidapye. Nibbana Dhatuya Nibbana Dhapya Pranibhuta Pranivasanga Vidaga Ananda Idi Ido Tata Tatra Daya Kaundo Kula Buddha Tha Yaujamima Bedumasu Dhathaniya Thoya Biro Bhumyo Jamelo Solo Sheno Dhathaniya Mabya Mabya Biro Bhuja Vesoye Thavezaniya Kudu Dhyari Dubwasi Nene Dhana Dakubedi Navezaniya, so the book of Fuenlishi. In the birthplace of the Lord Buddha, the Lumbini garden, between the two cities, Kapilavastu and Dewara. Nowadays, within the Rupandehi district and modern Nepal. Rupandehi district and modern Nepal. This is a birthplace. And a second, Sakyamuni Gautama Buddha attained the supreme enlightenment, became the Buddha, under the Bodhi tree, on the bank of river Nidinjara, within the Uruveda forest near the Gaya. This is the second significant place. And third one. Yapi Benala Achara. The message of precisely 2 months after the enlightenment, Tiri Jaya. Precisely 2 months after Buddha's enlightenment, Tiri Jaya, Nala Tiri, sorry. Tabijana Janavaya Bilo, Nala Tiri Jaya Buddha have started Sagiri to turn label the wheel Sejigo of the truth of the Dhamma. Dhamma Sejigo label Sagiri at the Bigadaya Saranatha Dia Benaris Varanadiya Nina ka Saranam the message hoge and lasso Buddha Basui and the southwest corner of Kushinagara between the twin Sala tree Malaste. These are the 4 great significant places, unforgettable places. Agavedandika Ananda Tada Bhikkhu Bhikkhuniya Upadaka Upadikayo Ananda Chitta Ananda Tada Tada Shija Guna Bhikkhu Bhikkhuniya Upadaka Upadikayo Yaha Yahama Dagarakama Bridali Mudodi Agavedandi Lajalame Ida Dagaraza no dibi dinia Piamurinia Ida Dagara Nudrana Madamo Ribitamo no dibi Dinia Piafidelia Ida Dagarina Nudrana Masaka Bodi Dandi Dinia Devase Lerenia Ida Dagara Nubari Didaya Nivana Dadu Yabrini Buddha Dinia Mesabia Karanayo Jimshi Brini Vasane Nian Lo Bhikkhu Bhikkhuniya Upadaka Upadika Brida Livadu Yagamidandi Lajale Me Yei Gehisi Ananda Sindiya Sadikan Ahe Danda Padana Seda Kalangredandi Yei Gehisi Bhadube Maso Sindiya Sarikan Zenidorego Pumyo Boyan Lele Biro Ahe Danda Sindiya Sarikan Ahe Danda Zenidogo Pumyo Boyan Lele Biro Padana Seda Jinyo no Sine Mya Kala Gredan Di Deja Mesoye Dedabe Any Tawariya Lidana Gojino the Saint Dire Buguri Gayata Bira Kanago Pizinga Paramarana Devi Manakalana Dugade Lugon Dugonu Doya Pita Dega Ayama Pietano Mimiade Logan Nabi Chota Bawa Sando Uba Bezetan Di Yaya Begole Melo Bawa Beajini Ananda Awasa Stood down with me. Leva, no. Take we are Chinusia County, you look fellow county, the Balidi. A Yachapu Wamake. De Idananda, the Dagadosa, Dodi, Bita, Kula, Bodanda, Dathaniya Tavizaniya Dhana Ne Ida Dada Gadana Grandama Bodhi Abhidha Mudodi Ananda Badada Kula Buddha Dathaniya Tavizaniya Dhana Bo Ida Dada Gadana Ida Dada Gadana Tata Gadom Hodo Mother Tata Gadon Ovega Kriya Labu Keto Tata Gadina Anodara Damasaka Bodhi Dandi Ananda Tadata Kula Buddha Dathaniya Tavizaniya Dhana Ida Dada Gadanu Bari Dedaya Devara Dadiya Prini Udodi Ananda Tadata Kula Buddha Dathaniya Tavizaniya Dhana Tavaniya Lidhana Puja Alili Paya Poya Seleya Saya Ilimi Lingari Barita Satari Era Tavaniya Lidhana Ejeme Pilonjo Pue Nya Jaka Udida Yadot Dondaga Ijido Inye Piu Napido Echa Da Pio Venerable paragraph 202, page 271. In time past, don't immediate Chidunga, who had ended their residence period of the reign. One shot a chain, one cup below piece on a chain. In different places, near the Wakalo, watch your period a chain. Used to come Lanija, used to see Punija, used to pay Dabdu Babiojan, the Lupapo. Used to come, used to see, used to pay respect to the Buddha, Babir. Lanija, Punija, Paya, Ushikunija, Ayudi Pinija. We used to get the video Lulebe, Quayeri, Yanija, Quayeri, Yita, privilege. Privilege, Quayeri. No. Comprende, Kana. I'm very happy. I take the honor. I take so proud. Take to have this privilege to deliver the sermon, to deliver speech in this great Getharan in Tirigu University, Baba, the Lodi Project. Privilege, no? And I got special right, special chance. Privilege of the sea and Pumi and Gwen. And I got used to get Yani Jabe and honor him. Everybody go Gompu when Ayudi big when go live Babila, Yani Jabe. Privilege of the honoring. Those inspiring people. Kaune, no? Mano Bhavaniya Sura Bogu, Balabyana. Inspire. Siku Swe Song Nine Matiji, hola. Fulaya and Downdy Mondi, the Saviors Yakone Kurori Mo. Inspiring Mahatira, coming from different places when they finish their rainy retreat, you know. Wacholo, Payabula Reka, Yanama, Shianana, Puguya. Privilege of a saying, privilege of honoring those who inspire and beg. But Guru, when after the Buddhas pass away, Buddha will be there now, we shall not get this privilege of the saying, privilege of the honoring to the inspiring monk. Sikhe Chinuzia Gaude, Nimateji, Paya Pranima Samiri now, Pugwe, Mayara, Pugwe, Mayara, we lost the chance to pay respect, to ask the Dhamma question, to listen the Dhamma. Dharma Enaripa. Anybody Danga Baya, Tiana, but they Mosa, we lost this privilege. So we pay up. She another shop. I was real liver. Another. Bahio Ananda Awasaka, Mabau Te. Don't say like this, my dear brother Ananda, Mendil over beyond. Namashi, all they are going to be giant. There are 4 places near Legushi which should be visited, which should be seen. By any person of the devotion, there are which will cause awareness, the deep apprehension, cause awareness and apprehension, the deep place of the nature of impermanent Daliteta Goma. Anesa Tenkara Sopido, the deep Pinning Nia, Legushire, what are these for? Ari Leguara. One Nabaglidi Data, this Lovini play, the Lovini Uyin, where the Dadagada was born, the Mapo Padu Payamwita Ananda. This is a place near Daku which shall be visited and seen, living and cheating as near. By the passengers of a devotion, the Radiashi Ludia on a Toya Chishu Denia, which will cause awareness and apprehension of the nature of environment. Anesa Sure, the deep Naviga Nia, do was in Nia, Te Lovini. The Mahabodhi. Mahabodhi Sure Niyataku is where the Dadagada attained. Yes, we are Yagi answer pass Anukara Adubishiro. Supreme enlightenment, a mere soul more than Yango Yagere, Mahabodhi Shidali, Ananda. This also, at the Mahabodhi level, is a place near the Kubokwa, which shall be visited and seen. Dwaya Lepapu, Jibu Kone Niyatakupo. By a person's of devotion, there are the Kone Ludia which would cause awareness and apprehension. But we got the idea to my killing, but the nature of impermanence, a nature, then Kara, so that we got the idea to killing. 3. Migadaya Wana. Migadaya Wana. Her place is where the Dadagada sit with us. Sit, wheel of the truth, rolling, sit rolling, slay. Ansamba Anubashi, the wheel of the truth. This Seki fled Niyapapa, expounded in a Nale of Biono, Fasil Samo, Tamazo Diahore Nia, Damajega Bodhana discourse. Another, this also is a place, Nalenia Dakubo, which shall be visited and seen. Why then a person of the devotion, Randiagon and Ludia Boya Jishu then Bumio then Surenia, and which any Niagali would cause. Menada Puyin and killing awareness and apprehension of the nature of empowerment, but we got the Yari killing. 4. This Kushidagara place which where the Dadagara pass into ultimate peace. Pradeva now shown a tremor, shown in Nia. Anupadi Sisa Neba. Which is complete cessation of the all Kanda. Kanda alone to German Chunine Nia. This also is a place, Nalani which should be visited and seen by any person of the devotion, and which will cause awareness and apprehension of the nature of impermanence, Anisha, Ananda. Ananda. These are the 4 places that Mamigon and Yaligu, which should be visited and seen, Dwadin and Chidin and Yaligu, for a person of the devotion. By 4 parts of the world, for a person of the devotion. There are a which will cause awareness of the appreciation of the nature of environment. But we got the other visiting and the Ligu and Ananda. They will come to see these places. Ananda, Eddie Aliva with Bochime, Bhikkhu, Bhikkhuni, Upasika, Upansika, Leah. Preda Liva, the Baba Bochija Mesolushi. Tradiane with the devotion in the heart. Melodarema, the Radiane, the Bochija Mesolushi. Here. The Maha body, here the Lumini, that was born. Yes, of Yabuba and Lumini, here at the Maha body, Tadagara attain supreme enlightenment. Here, at the Migadaya, Tadagara grace, Tadagara set and passes a wheel of the truth rolling. The message let it near all. Here, Kushinara, Tadagara Pasui, Piyabrini Bansane Nia. Erinia Legu Goma Solution, all these who are one in pilgrimage to those shrine. Shrine of Bebogala. City Yani. Any city go Pumia Boya and pilgrimage. Payabumia Boya Meslosi. If they should die with a devotion in their heart, during the course of the pilgrimage, Lepayan, Payabu Lepayan, Troya Nelonare, Madaradiana, Droria, should die. The Yama Solution, should die, I'm saying, what time again? The Yama Solution. When after they are dead, will never send it, will be good side. After they are dead, after they are dissolution of the body, will be reborn. In a good destination. The fortunate celestial ring. Allah can count it, Nadoya Bomoa, Trupia Muja. They can know the Upa Bizek than deep. No? They are in the home of Adiligu Jetta, Namalia Liva. We don't go with any of it, I hope you're shop your or even you jump your meet our own jump your Kushinagara jump your. Lobini, Nani, and now boy. Kilometer those I love. No? Kabila wants to yet. I think Kabila wants to and they meet up. Go say Mila kilometer dollar. Nikrora, Nijora, yap. I did Nijora, no? Dine Dishira, I need to cool it. Yeah, you never carry up. Yeah, cheated. Yeah, never hope another city beauty, a net. And the Huda account. There be ye and the Hangani. Gamerago, friend have been a time shot. Daily lane dollar, double yellow time shot. Bokara Waka Muwa in the Yave, Bo, Seku, Kong. Nijora, Bokara Waka Muwa, Bola, Paya Bodo, Horror. Any day I yiri no behodo, Seku, Bokara Waka Muwa yiri, Boa, Daikali, Fair, in a little. Kimralina Chow. The Kalamada O Yaula Vida. Over Kani. Chari Vari Pemi Grua. Chado Yibo. Pshan. Yai, a wusho. Kalamasani Shora, Twido. Oh. That was an Iasura Dale. Anesa Tabad Denkara. Buddha Badawe Lui, a Tomiat Nia Buddha Mahode Boguri, a Tredo, Alagani Apilla, and Yiji son in the Apilla. No, wish you. But the Mazo, a cup water one Temai, Hoodie. The Mawarido, Gunawarido, Nalabu. I think I did 12. Sounding Galateri, Te Amu, Buddhi, and a Galati Biobi, Buddhi Doku. Yeah. Nobody other. And a Buddha say that the chesa. Camilo Murema, Manglaman, sorry. The guy is a pony day town. The Maori do any a would be so sad. Do a video about a conflict. Manglaman, Familia, Sari dinner, did not accompany with G, Bariland, Nana, Gapia. Do a Nadoda, do a Nana. Mangalama, a one, Nakoya. Do the Akao Yauda, and immediately Yagari Yabi, Bayam, a point and point to it. Now called it one of Balm, the area of Mammy, the good dish. But where she said, Nick and I do what I Guy, I was really a beaver. The look Joya, I was in here, Thokta, Peter. Shanada big one. Katamaya Mandi Madugame Badibizama Madugamari, Pia Pelulule Pelum. Adadana Ananda Machine. Don't see, don't look at them in detail. The days of the Banyana, Anubiazana Sabe, Napu, Miako, Mielo, Nakon, Nakan, Maisie, Edilu Shauchida, Anubiazana called it. Adadana, Elu Bachijan. Tathani Bhagavan. The day can have the busy dama. Many a belly, Shalubaya de la Analapo Ananda. Don't say anything with them. The road is Kapama Mabio. Mabiolo by people, I think you know. Alabandi na bandi. Kadambadi busy dama. Maleda Mishama, Pionia, Belulumale. Badi Ananda Ubadhabi Dama, Britaro. Era. Era Bema Kisha, the locally pure soup. Now, the Rina Pusa Kesa, Shianana Mip. Shanana Megoni Vedima. The Damaya Bandi, Dandagada, the Riri, Padi Bezama. Yaswa Payai, Payai, Yukalado, what the video to Buluya Malay. Abjavada Dome Ananda Hota. Tadakadana Darira Puzaya Nabia Yuk Talaji Puzogo Meno Chauja Masane Ha Dilu Badara no Meno Bada Chauja Masane Ega Dome Ananda Daradi Gadata Daradi Anu Yolata Dara de Joshi de Lode go Gadata Adoja Golo Darade Joshi Melodego, Anu Yolada, Jay Mama Ado Jago, Abamada Mame Malayo, Ada Bino Pientan Oriane, Bahida never was said that it looked happy or we had done the Yago. Payada Marali, Ainga Dome Ananda Darati Gadata, Anu Yolada Darade. Abamada Adabino Bidada Wirada Joshi Dari Luchakwa Tatikon Yogala Doji Velo Loble Meno Jauja Masine Joshi de Lobino Lucha No Nare Dia Chek Tibia Makwa Kone de Paisan Puni Biambwe Hoyane diwa dawone kwe manai pit. Ha yediga thok yaniga pit. Ponye longi legong ta yan pit yet thok pe yet. Maimari dembiro anaga ngujene cha kai pakedi lue. Palong le tarata mogu. Anitara mashi. Era mlone. Bandananda Khadiya Bandita Binyanya Shire Mini Biamana Bandita Binyanya Shire Bonari Gahabadi Bandita Binyanya Shire Katiri Many Bonari the Tiri Binyanya Chiche Barekwa Durudi Nyashi Bare Dantagade Bibana, Durore Biago, they gino yare qua. De Eri, Meni, Ognari, Kateri, Dada Gadaba, Darida, Busan, Kretandi, Piaya Yokalago, Duru Buzole Mequa, Menodani, Piata Mara, no, the Ripuja, no, and a chair, twina, Bloja. Tirigosro and the Toya de Majalina, Povana, Qualaji, Kaya, the Pakini, Bisho, needed the child, Baponi, and one alone, and how to get go. Diva Bayamani, the Tarata Ho. A nimshi. And a member the lady got Buzo Mesoye. Puzo Lanyo Jackley Big Bao Katambana Bande Dandagadada, the lady, but they busy Dabam. I remember another TV. Belulu Male, Dandagadada, the lady, Katam, but they busy Dabam, the Loche Ananda. Yata Renya Segavadi Dandari Padi Bezandi Belule Secha Wadi Mini Yokalago Logalo Locha Dama Ewan Dandagarada Dari Padi Bizi Dama Eri Diamond Secha Me Yokala Lode Diamond Yasabia Yokalago Locha Kadabara Bandi Renyo Segavadi Dandri Padi Bezandi Seja Mini Kanago Belulucha the Lepaya Udina Muga, no? Seja me Chauji Picker and New Hall. Anima Mado Pado Devi Chaja Renyo Ananda Segavadi Dandrina Ananda Seja Mini Kanago Ahadina Atipito Wote na Awope Wetendi Yichago Pajago Pipshu Athene Adina Samachi Shogo Mishiwade Corine Pipshu ne Shiuza Pa Adina Wadina within the one. I was then a papire kama. ဒီကြတော့ဝိဟတိနာဖြစ်သွားတယ်ဝိဟတိနာရဲ့နောက်ကဘာပုတ်ရှိကပ္ပါဒဝါကောဝိဟတိနာကအချိန်ချင်းထက်ထဖတ်ထားတော့ဝါကောကြတော့နူးနေအောင်အချိန်ချင်းပါလို့လည်းဖတ်အချိန်ချင်းဖတ်မှဖတ်ထားတဲ့ဝါကောနဲ့ပလိုက်ပိတ်ဖြူတထဝါကောတထဟုတ်ပြီပိတ်ကစီမစုပ်ဘူးဝါကောကစီစုပ်အဲ့ဒါကြောင့်ပိတ်နဲ့ပတ်ပြီးဝါကောနဲ့ပါပြီးတော့စီရီထည့်ပြီးတော့ရှုပ်ပါဒီတိုင်းလာမယ်ဝေဒေနာကပ္ပဒေနာဝေဒေနောအာဒေနာဝဋ္ဌေနာဝေထင်တိအဲ့တော့ဝါကောပတ်ပြီးရင်ဘာနဲ့ထပ်ပါမလဲပိတ်နဲ့ထပ်ပါပိတ်ပတ်ထပ်ပြီးရင်ဘာပတ်မလဲဝါကောနဲ့ပတ်ဝါကောပေါ်မှာပါတယ်ပိတ်ပေါ်မှာဝါကောအဲ့ဒါတွေရှောက်ဖန်နေရှိကြီးပဲဧတေနဥပါယေနဤနိတံပိစဟိယုကတတေဟာ900အစုံလိုက်900ဝါကောနဲ့ပိတ်အစုံဘလောက်ဟမ်နေဘူးထထပတ်တာမေးရှို့ဖို့ဆက်ကြမင်းသိအဲ့လိုလုပ်ပြေဆိုင်ယုဂတရေအစုံ900တို့ပြရိညောစက္ကုတဲ့ပရိနာဝိထစ်တော်ဆက်ကြမင်းခန္ဓာကိုယ်ကိုအဲ့လိုပတ်ပြီးတော့ဘယ်ထက်တဲ့ပါဠိဖတ်အာယတာယဘာနဲ့လောက်တာအယဆိုတော့ဘာအယပါဠိပုဂ္ဂသံဟောတာဒါမဲ့ဒီနေရာမှာရွှေလို့ပြောအယတာယအဲ့တော့တက္ကရာကဖွင့်ပြီးသားပါသုဝနာမယေနလို့ဖွင့်ရွှေဖြင့်ပြီးတော့တေလဒေါနိယာစီအပြည့်ထည့်ထားတယ်ဘာကြီးလဲဒေါနိစကြင်းကြီးလှေကြီးလို့ပဲဟုတ်လားရွှေနဲ့လောက်ထားတဲ့လှေကြီးထဲမှာစီဒီအပြည့်ထည့်ဝါကွန်တထ sorry ပိတ်ဖြူတထဝါကွန်တထပိတ်ဖြူတထဝါကွန်တထအဲ့လိုအစုံ900ပတ်ထားတဲ့ကိုတော်ကြီးကိုလှေထဲမှာစီအပြည့်ထည့်ပြီးတော့အဲ့ထဲမြုပ်လာဒေလတတိယပကိပိတဝါအင်္ဂိတာအယတာယဒေါနိယပတိကုံစိတ်တဝါအဘဝတစ်ခုမှနှစ်ချမ်းအောက်ကတစ်ချမ်းထဲမှာစီပြည့်ထည့်ပြီးတော့ပိတ်နဲ့ဝါကောင်းအထ900ပတ်ထတဲ့ယုတ်ကလကြီးကိုစီပြည့်ထည့်တဲ့လှေကြီးတွေထည့်အဘောကလှေကြီးတစ်ခုနဲ့မှောက်သဗ္ဗဂန္ဓာနံစိတကံကရိတဝါနတ်သာထင်းနေအများကြီးပုံစိတကံကရိတဝါမိဘုံကြီးပုံပြီးတော့ရေညောစကဝတိတသရိရံဇာပင်တိဆက်ကြမင်းကြီးရဲ့ယုတ်ကလကိုဒီလိုမြင်းသိကြကြတယ်ကွာကဲဖတ်ဆန်းတော့တကြောင်တော်ပြီသာတုမာပတိရေညောစကဝတိတထူပံကရတိဆက်ကြမင်းကြီးရဲ့အယိုးတွေဓာတုရောအယိုးပေါ်ပါဘယ်မှာဇီရီတဲ့သာတုမာပတိပြောလမ်းလေးစုံမှာလမ်းလေးကစုံတဲ့နေရာမှာထူပံကရတိဘာလဲထူပံတွေ့လား ဒီဝိပဿနာအကယ်ဒမီမှာထူပါနှစ်ခုရှိတယ်လေဒီဘက်မှာထူပါတစ်ခုဟိုဘက်မှာထူပါတစ်ခုထူပါဆိုတာဓမင်းဥပေါင်းပဲမောက်မောက်ကလေးတွေဆက်ကြဝတ္တိမင်းရဲ့ဆက်ကဝတ္တိမင်းရဲ့အယိုးတွေကိုလမ်းလေးစုံမှာထူပါတဲတယ်ဇေဒီတဲတယ်ပြီးတော့မှပြောယထာခောအာနန္ဒရေညဆက်ကဝတ္တိနာသရိတိပฏิပိသန္တိအာနန္ဒယေဆက်ကြမင်းရဲ့ယုတ်ကလကိုလူတွေပူဇော်ကြသလိုပေါ့ကွာတတ္တကရတသရိတိပฏิပိစိတပံငါဘုရားရဲ့ယုတ်ကလကိုလည်းပဲဧဝံပฏิပိစိတပံအဲ့ဒီတိုင်းလုံးကြနောက်တစ်ပိုက်သာဓုမာပတိတတ္တကရတသူဘောကတဘောဘုရားရဲ့ယုတ်ကလတော်ကကျွဲတဲ့အယိုးတွေကိုဘယ်မှာစီရီတဲမလဲလမ်းလေးကတရားပဲပြောသွားတာအခုတော့တိုးရတောင်နဲ့အကုန်ရောက်ပြောလေကောင်လမ်းလေးကတဲရင်အခုကတော့လူတွေကကဲလမ်းလေဘုရားဆိုဘူးမရှိဘူးစူးလေဘုရားဆိုဘူးမရှိဘူးဘုရားမှားတာကသတ္တုမာပတိတတ္တကရတသူဘောကတဘောလေဘုရားရဲ့ယုတ်ကလကကျွဲတဲ့ဓာတ်ကိုမျိုးလေကောင်ဇီရီတဲပြောထားမျိုးလေကောင်မတဲပဲနဲ့ဘယ်ရှောက်တောင်လေးပေါ်နေရရင်တို့ကဂျင်းနေတာနော်လှမ်းကြည့်အဝေးကအဲ့ဒါမာရာလေးရှိတယ်တထယေမာလံဝါဂန္တံဝါသုံးကံဝါအာရောပိတံတိဘိဝရိတံတိအဲ့ဒီမျိုးလေကောင်ကဇီရီလေးမှာယေဘသူမဆိုပေါ့မာလံဝါအာရောပိတံတိဂန္တံဝါအာရောပိတံတိသုံးကံဝါအာရောပိတံတိနော်ဘာနန္ဒရီနန္ဒမုံလေးတင်းပြီးတော့ပူဇော်ကြစိတ်တန်ဝပတာတင်းဒီစိတ်လည်းကြည်နူးကြတယ်ဒေသတံဘဝိတ္တိဒီဃာရတံဟိတာယဒုက္ခယရှင်နန္ဒမေးလို့မြတ်စွာဘုရားမှားတာဆက်ကြမင်းရဲ့ယုတ်ကလလို့ပဲလောကမဝရသေးတဲ့မဖွဲ့ရသေးတဲ့နော်အစာမရှိသေးတဲ့ပိတ်နဲ့အရင်ပကောင်းကောင်းကြီးအကျိတ်တရားတော့ဖတ်ထားတဲ့ဝါကွန်နုနုနဲ့တထပ်ပပိတ်တထဝါကွန်တထပိတ်တထဝါကွန်တထအဲ့လိုနှစ်ခုအစုံပေါင်းလို့900ပပြီးတော့စီပြည့်ထားတဲ့ရွှေလှေကြီးတွေထက်ပြီးတော့မှပေါ်ရတဲ့ရွှေလှေကြီးတစ်ခုနဲ့အော်အလောင်းကြီးထင်းတဲ့တခါတည်းမထည့်ဘူးလုံးပုံနော်တော်တော်ကောင်းတယ်ဟုတ်လားကိုတော့အလောင်းကြီးထင်းလုံးတွေကိုတိတ်ရှို့တာကွာဒီလိုရွှေလေးတွေဘာတွေကမရှိဘူးလေရွှေလေးမရှိလေပန်းလေးတဲ့လုံးကိုပေါ့အရသာပြီးတော့မှအဲ့ဒီဓာတ်တော်တွေတဲ့အယိုးတွေကိုအကုန်လုံးဇေရီတေကြမျိုးလေးကိုအဲ့ဒီနေရာမှာဒုပါရဟ4ယောက်ဆက်တော့အဲ့ဒုပါရဟနမဟောအဲ့ဒါလေးအင်္ဂလိပ်လိုပါWhenever Ananda's question okay. Whenever Ananda's question 1 203 whenever sir how should we conduct ourselves with regard to the women may marry the below the water not seeing them if we should and avoid the shamaya look medalita the see them Shamyalo Mia what should be our conduct? Not speaking to him, to them. Any command is if Benevesa, we shall have to speak. Shamya Lura Tuira Drube. And I shall say, what we should be our conduct, Beluchem. You shall establish mindfulness. The Dida, Taro, they go in. Do ya Joya, Sagamia Bua, the Rita Bioja, they go. Kama Yagina Dashami. Do you know Kama Yagamiri Laumi Pia? Nema Behi Mahawira. Era Jay on Lubiwa. Baguro. She Ananda down. Are you calling? The that of a bear is a theatre. Bona Pogili. Wengipa Buddha said, Bhawana, she Ananda Nagani, Sonza Light, the meeting at Myaji, Mimari Pita Yava. She Ananda is a very famous attendant of the Buddha, preacher. They are winding up. Ubagani, Wangida, Chi, Ha, Tehupa. Ananda, winding up, Nana, tell Mamsi. And Acha, the Icha, Comadia, and there we did Tommy of Mumu. Mako legit, Belum legit, Nara legit, Nakan legit, Mizi legit, Yimba legit, Kar legit, Den legit, Yin legit, the Anubians and Alpha. Maybe I said that the maid go chill, and they say, shall chill. Eridoma, Kamaya be loud. No? So that Biana, Abia, Samjiro, Siananda, Gosha, we don't allow me, and I need on Lobe. Ananda, Tota, no, Paja, Bayawashi, Wingita, Tota. Venesa. How shall we act regarding the body? Hobi. Maybe I never make on Tongu where we are here, Jeremy, Mabiono. Be the body never look to Mabiono. Anyways, how shall we act below pure regarding the body? Kanakuna Badalo Balo remain. Of the Dadagana. Yashabia, my change and a Yokala, Lulu Amle. Ananda, do not worry. You are set. Doing honor to the body of the Dadagana. Now, a body, Mido, Sepumine, Balupuzoya, Maleno, Sepumine. I exhort you, Amino, Piome. Apply. You are said, only applying you are said. Meno Adonchara, Lucha. Exactly you are said. Meno Adonchara, Lucha. In the essential Rocco. Essential is a Lord. Although in the case of Meno Lucha, not the excellent predicate. Although when I have been alone, striving ardently in the Atoja without negligent in the essential. Although at the case of Atoja, most excellent brightness, resolutely direct your mind Meno say that they go nyonta toward the attainment of the Nibbana. Nibbana yabo so bido era go be udeta yogalata meno pusyamlo Ananda. They are wise and noble, wise and Brahmin, noble, no? Wise and Katiya, no? Wise and Brahmin, wise and householder. Piyashi, many, Turagoni, Onani. Induri, Indari, Shire, utmost devotion to the Tathagata. Nabia will take Chinusari, utmost alone. Who will honor, who will do honor. The Lord Nabia Yabala Buzale to the body of the Tathagata. But the benefits are, what shall be done to the body of the Tathagata? Payakura Balulu by the noble Brahmin, householder, and the same way. Ananda, as is done to the body of the universal monarch. The Kavala also the Baye, Sekawari Mini Yakanago, Lodulu, Lucha. But the benefits are. What is it done to the body of the universal monarch? The Kabbalah also said, Jami Yopila Balulu Chadale. Ananda. The body of the universal monarch, Sakchame Yopila, is a red yipat in new clothes. Awat then yipat, and it was they got made a kashi, got the time she awat then but after being wrapped up in the kashi cloth, that they then awat then but be the come. The body is wrapped up in carded cotton wool. Gongoni patare wagongli ne pat. After being wrapped up in the carded cotton wool, wagong chununu ne papire kama. Again wrapped up in new kashiko. In this way, in the ambient, the body of the universal monarch is wrapped in the 500 successive layers. 500 successive layers. A tap on blood. Nayarune Pade. Then, Harinamara, it is enclosed in a golden wine butt cover over by another golden butt. Swiftly, ye mate. Actually, the Gune Abawan and Ola. Then a fire of the all kinds of perfume would is big body of the universal monarch. It's cremated and stupa, i.e. monument mounted with a dome, stupa monument mounted, mounted in a dome in it. Tupa poka ne biro stupa pidara, no? Stupa tupa ni pyangwara. And in honor of the universal monarch is a bed at the junction of the full highway. Highway league lands of Mandela. Ananda, this is what done to the body of the universal monarch. Universal monarch look for the Sajaminya Yokala Belukuzo the Suda Mata. Ananda, in the same way, in it time, as is the done to the body of the universal monarch, universal monarch, yes, Yokala will look the Lupo, so to need time. Should it be done, lower man, to the body of the Tathagata? That's why the body will let the Lucha, a stupa to the honor of the Tathagata. That's why the Buddha Ape, 2 part the Kugu shall be big, the Sancha, at the junction of the 4 highway. Lama Ligu Sonen Yama and a Ziri Te. At that stupa, Eri Ziri Male, people will make offering of the flower. Lure Bala Bira Buzalebe. People will make offering of incenses. Barile. Nanda Modi Buzalebe. Scanded Ponda. Incense, no more is scanded Ponda. Nanda Moni the cherry will pay home, shake home, will feel reverent in their mind. Say them, you the public, to such a people, the Lord Ludi do it. Benefit, a Choji happiness will be Oka. Chanda Dukhari, killing for a long time, Digarada. Chinese of the Karapalo, Diluri, Chanda Dukha, Kilime. Bibi. Also, when you see the lady, how will you go like this? Closer your eye. We cannot close, I want to see from feet to head, from head to feet in detail. This is in a mellow. Sati Upatavidaba. Be mindful. You can look with the mindfulness and comprehension. Tadi pinyane chija. Another big one like Wacha Mamadala Bill. Do I know that Mamma Shidido? Be a mobile. Katamazri at the Bibi. Yazabia Yogalaku Bululum. Samachia Dido. Mashapoya Dido. Pay pew neck, she was on the tapa. Bida boa. Gong on you, money or patare, wagone, pat. Naku, bear. Any little tap on, Naya nepa. See bit here, surely te. See the golo same, it will not be bala. Wagoni benetale, Naya, so the sea item of winning. Piro Maboni, the Huta out, Nanda Temple more Temiro, Misho. Dame, Daradi Kitata, Daradi Wayamata, no? Joshi Dari, alone no cha. Can't shave tomorrow. Now we can't leave your level.